你好, welcome to my channel. I'm Yao. My first language is Mandarin Chinese. In this video, I provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to write in traditional Chinese characters, and also character decompositions. In each radical series, I'll start with the ones with fewer stroke orders and gradually getting more. There will be 2 characters in each video, and I'll explain them one by one and show you related vocabularies. Chinese characters have their meanings, and when they are combined, it will create another meaning. As a result, I'll present them together. In this video, you'll learn the most commonly used radical, 草, which means grass. I'll also introduce you how to say and write Chinese silver grass, 芒, mango, 芒果, and taro, 芋头, later. A Chinese radical, we call it 部首, is an indexing component in Chinese characters. Radicals relate to the meaning or the sound of the characters, and we look them up in the dictionary. When we equip knowledge of Chinese radicals, it will allow us to understand the Chinese characters easier. The radical 草 is in 3 forms. 草 looks like 2 tridents, and a trident is the weapon of Poseidon, the god of the sea, in classical mythology. When the 2 tridents, 草, is on the top of characters, the shape changes to 2 tiny crosses, 草. 草 and 草 look different, but they are the same 草 and means grass. 草 is also a pictograph. When we write grass in traditional Chinese, we use 草. Okay, without further ado, let's begin with 芒 and 芋. 芒 is the upper part, 草, and the lower part, 王. 芒 is Chinese silver grass, and we see 芒草 swinging in the wind in late autumn. Very beautiful. 草 means grass, and 王 implies death. 王 is the phonetic of 芒. 果 means fruit, and it's another example of a balanced Chinese character. We can combine 芒 with 果 to make 芒果. Sounds familiar, right? You guessed it right. 芒果 is mango in Mandarin Chinese. Okay, let's practice writing 芒 with me. Yu is the upper part, 草, and the lower part, 鱼. Yu is the phonetic of 玉. Yu and 芋头 both means taro. 头 is head, and we can divide 头 into the left 豆 and the right 叶. We learned 手 in the previous video, and both 手 and 头 is head. In daily usage, when we want to express our head, the body part, we use 头. We also learned 豆 in 陈. Do you see it? Dou is on the right bottom part of Chen. Character decomposition is a practical knowledge in learning Chinese, and I'm so happy that we are learning together. Okay, let's get back to our topic and write 玉 with me. It's the end of this week. Do you enjoy it? Let's check them again. They are 忙 玉. You are welcome to go to the sweet shops and order 芒果 or 芋头 for dessert. My next post is about fragrance. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye.